If you want to be able to handle hot items safely and eliminate the risk of getting burned, then you should certainly get yourself a pair of heat-resistant cooking gloves. If you are reaching for folded-up dish towels to handle the hot stuff in your kitchen, it is time to consider new and safer options. In today's video, we will break down the top 4 cooking gloves. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. HEAT AID BBQ Grill Gloves vs. If you are looking for comfortable heat-resistant gloves that will protect your forearms too, then this pair by HEAT might be your best bet. The outer layer of these gloves is FDA-approved food-grade neoprene rubber. This material is heat-resistant to up to 932 degrees. You can wear them when handling hot food on the fryer, oven, or grill. HEAT heat-resistant gloves fit comfortably thanks to 2 factors. First, these gloves are lined with a cotton layer from the inside. And second, they come in a few sizes. You can pick the size that will fit your hands perfectly. In general, though, the HEAT gloves are loose-fitting and keep your hands insulated from heat. HEAT heat-resistant grill gloves are also quite long and keep your forearms covered. You can wear these gloves when working with grill flames and fire without the fear of getting burns on your hands. The gloves are also easy to clean. The rubber material used to manufacture these gloves is not only resistant to heat but also water, grease, and oil. Wash these gloves with warm soapy water and hang them to dry. At number 2. HEAT Guardian Heat-Resistant Gloves vs. From removing cookies in the oven to flipping steak on the grill, you can now do all these and more without burning your hands. The HEAT Guardian heat-resistant gloves are made of a high-quality material that can withstand temperatures up to 932. The silicone exterior helps in optimizing the heat protection. Each glove is 12.9 inch long and offers protection up to your forearm. These gloves are flexible and come with a rugged texture for a better grip. The bone embellishments on the gloves give it an edgy and stylish look. If you take cookies out of the oven or flip a steak on the grill, you no longer need to worry about burning your hands. High-quality aramid materials are used in the HEAT Guardian F-Best heat-resistant gloves, which can withstand temperatures of 932 degrees. In addition, a silicone exterior maximizes the heat resistance properties of the gloves. Approximately 12.9 inches long, each glove protects your forearm until you remove it. Despite their flexibility and rugged texture, these gloves provide an excellent grip. In addition, an edgy and stylish look is created by the bone embellishments on the gloves. At number 3. HEAT Gloves vs. HEAT makes some of the most comfortable heat-resistant gloves you can find on the market. You can wear these gloves when working with heat that gets as high as 446 degrees. What makes these gloves super comfortable is their dual-layer design. HEAT gloves have a silicone layer from the outside and a heat-resistant cotton lining inside. This means these gloves will protect your hands from burns when cooking or baking indoors or barbecuing outdoors. The soft inside layer of the gloves provides maximum comfort while the pliable silicone exterior provides dexterity. The cotton lining is also good at absorbing sweat. Thus, even if you have the gloves on for a longer period of time, your hands will still feel comfortable in them. The BPA-free silicone material the gloves are made of makes them easy to clean. They are also textured to provide a non-slip grip. They are also designed with a rope to make storing the gloves easy. You can hang them somewhere near your cooking area to save space. Another great feature these heat-resistant gloves have is their long-sleeve design. The cuffs that go higher on the wrists and arms provide more protection. At number 4. HEAT AID BBQ Gloves vs. These gloves are lightweight, flexible, and heat-resistant up to 1,472. Made of protective aramid fiber that has been coated with silicone strips, these gloves give you the best of both worlds. We haven't heard of aramid fiber before either. Essentially, it refers to the heat mitigation technology of modern synthetic fabrics that can keep your hands safe in super hot conditions. At the same time, you get an extreme grip from rubber-like silicone, meaning you can handle burning lungs, shift around charcoal, or touch hot items without having to worry about blistering your fingers. The tightly woven fiber distributes heat very effectively across the glove, so no matter what you grab, you won't feel it, and the fabric fits snugly around the wrist. These gloves offer the best level of protection. You only feel a tiny bit of heat when holding the hottest items for a long time. Moving around super hot grill grates or coals isn't a problem.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.